out there. The beach.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued an extreme wind warning for Cape May County in southern New Jersey, Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:33 p.m., Doppler radar and marine observations indicated extreme winds, associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Ben, were 14 miles southeast of Cape May, or 15 miles southeast of Wildwood, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Take cover now. Destructive winds to around 170 miles per hour will cause swaths of extreme wind damage. A wind gust of 97 miles per hour was already reported in Wildwood.
With the heaviest rain still